What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. Let me know what you think of all the videos. If you have any recommendations, then recommend away. But yeah, let's get straight into this one. Summer is coming and it's best to be ready for summer. So you know, shorts weather is coming. I got another pair of NBA shorts, Swingman shorts. If you don't know what that is, you need to do some research. Chicago Bulls NBA shorts. So this isn't the typical red shorts that Chicago Bulls have. This is like, I think, an alternate color. I'm not very good at knowing which kit or which jerseys they wear, which color, home, away, or anything like that. This pair I really like because it's mostly white and then it's got this kind of darker red, like a burgundy type, maroon type color, and then black, and it's all mesh. So as you can see, it's same on both sides. It's got the ball, but it's not bright red. I think I'm a bit too grown to wear bright red now. So you know, those burgundy stripes, very nice color, burgundy here as well. Then the black. And then if you look at the white, it does have like squares, like a little design type thing in a light grey. The balls are like, they're not stitched on, they're like more iron-on print type thing. And then the swoosh as well, it's more of like a sticker type thing. We've got a patch, so it's a C, and then it looks like a kind of peace logo, upside down peace logo, so maybe they don't want peace. And then we've got the NBA logo, again sticker, got the tags and stuff inside, NBA Authentics, and then it's got like a code. I haven't checked the codes or anything, but I believe they are to, you know, prove it's real. DriFIT, move to zero. So this is actually quite interesting. So it's DriFIT technology, moves sweat away from your skin for quicker evaporation, helping you stay dry, comfortable and focused. And then it says made with at least 75% recycled fibers, which reduces waste and our carbon footprint. Move to zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. 75%, you know, I'll be honest, hats off to Nike for that, because 75% recycled and they don't even feel like or look like anything that's, you know, recycled style. Because a lot of times companies do things are recycled, they have to be, or they have to look recycled. These look 10/10, I'll be honest. I really like them. The way I styled them, literally white trainers, white t-shirt, just casual. To be honest, very nice shorts, I'll be real, and added to the collection of my Nike NBA shorts. But that's all from this review. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the other reviews, all the other videos, everything else. If you have any recommendations, please recommend below or on any post, wherever you want to recommend. And take care, my people.